Hi, I'm Bob Akers from Budget Brake and Muffler. I've got 2 locations here in Burnaby. So I've been fixing cars and vehicles for 30 odd years. I've owned our store on Dawson Street for 20, and I just enjoy it. I like interacting with people and I like helping people out. Working on cars is just a bonus. Automotive has always been my thing. I've always been into cars. A certain satisfaction you achieve from actually fixing something. If there's a difficult problem that comes in the store and we're able to diagnose it and repair it quickly, efficiently, it works out fine. We're full service nowadays. We're Budget Brake and Muffler auto service centers. We go the extra mile for our customers by making sure it's done right the first time. And our warranties get our customers back in the store for preventive maintenance checks for as long as they've got their vehicles. We keep our shops clean and customer service. People are interested, they check reviews, they check us online, and people are happy with us. We will look after you. Give us a chance. I think you'll be satisfied. I think you'll be happy.